going? This Kingsman trading here. So I took a trade on XAUUSD today on a sale. It's actually a sale, and I want to give the full breakdown on the chart for you guys. So stay tuned. Let's get to this video. So guys, the trade actually hit take profits, and this signal was sent to my group, Kingsman Trading Inner Cycle. I sent the signal to the group and we all made profits. So as you guys can see, this is why I sent the signal to my WhatsApp group. It's actually free. I don't charge for signal. My signal group is free. So if you want to join, just send me a message and then I'll add you. So guys, so let me get to the setup that made me take this trade. So firstly, I moved to the 4-hour time frame. I start my top to down analysis, and then I noticed that the overall trend on the XAUUSD is actually on a downtrend. It's actually on a downtrend. The selling pressure is actually too much, and I just noticed the market is creating series of it's creating break of structures, creating new lower lows, and then so this was where the market was at when I entered. So after I saw that market was actually creating lower low, and then you can see this green candle here. This spike was actually caused by news on Friday, NFP. So there's actually liquidity here that markets have to come and grab and take out, and I actually use this as my target for any entry. Like I was targeting for this zone as my take profit. So I was looking for an entry on sell, a perfect entry to sell. Then so I'll target this zone, and then I moved to the 1-hour time frame, and then I noticed that market is actually moving in this as if markets have a trend line break of structure. So I moved to 15-minute time frame for a more clearer view. That's when I realized that market had a fake breakout here. I draw this trend here. Market have a fake breakout from this trend line here. This is actually a trend line support. Market supposed to retest here and then shoot down, but market have a fake breakout, making people to think that okay, this market wants to go up. And then that was when I spot out this zone here, this other block. I was actually waiting for market to get here, but at the same time I also spot this zone here. So that's why I actually took this trade at 1935. This point here, 1935. This is where I took my sell. I gave the signal. This is where I dropped the signal here on my group, Kingsman Trading. So I dropped the signal here. Sell XAUUSD 1935, take profit 1930, 1926, take profit 2, stop loss 1939. It was actually by 10 in the morning, UTC +1. So after then, the market actually went down a little bit here, and it came back up here to this zone and create a double top. This actually gave me all the full confluence I need, all the full confirmation that this market is actually going down. And the market actually came down here. From my entry, market actually came down here, this point here. Then that's when I brought out my Fibonacci, because I actually had 2 entries. I took 2 entries on this trade. Unfortunately, my second entry was not triggered based on my tight. My zone did not trigger. So when price gets to this support here, this little support on lower time frame support, and then I know that market is definitely going to break this structure here. So I bring out my Fibonacci retracement tool, and then I draw it from my low to my swing high. That was when I discovered that okay, there's actually an order block down here, and this is actually my golden zone. I pointed it out and I sent it to my group also. Let me show you guys. So this when I send it to my group, market has retraced to my golden zone. I actually marked this zone up. The market is going to go up here, retrace there, and come back down. So I actually point out the zone here from this other block here. There is actually the 0.5 retracement zone, whereby it shows the market is clearly going to sell from here. And I set my entry, my fail limit at 1933.3. Unfortunately, the market did not fill me in at 1933.3. So I actually have to like I didn't took this re-entry, but some of my students who said their entry at 1933, they were filled in and then they cut 2 entry. So that's how we actually got this wonderful 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio on gold, and it actually hit our take profit. It had this break of structure. After this break of structure, I was actually waiting for market to have a pullback. So I remember that this is actually my retracement zone. This is actually my previous low, their market broken. So I was waiting for market to come and touch this Fibonacci zone and then retrace this this zone that was actually broken. And when market came here also, I also sent the signal too on a sell again, and some people took it also in profit. So that was how we caught 90 pips, because my main target was actually my main target was when I entered from this point here, 1935. My main target was 1926, and market hit my take profit. We had a re-entry here. We entered the trade again at this point here, at this retracement point, and still target the same zone. So this is actually a wonderful trade, and currently now gold is just consolidating well. I've secured 90 pips. I think it's enough for me for the day. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.